Everyone thinks Einstein remembered everything because he was born a genius. That belief is exactly why you forget so much. Because if memory were about talent, hard-working people wouldn't struggle this badly, and once you see the real reason behind forgetting, you won't be able to unsee it. Imagine this. You study seriously. You take notes. You even revise. But a few days later, your brain feels empty. You know you studied, but the information refuses to show up when you need it. Your brain feels busy all day, yet useless at the exact moment that matters. And slowly, quietly, a dangerous thought appears. Maybe I'm just not that smart. Even top students feel this. They just don't talk about it. Fact 1. The official story. Here's what the world tells you. Your memory is weak. You need more revision. Study harder. Repeat more. So you repeat. And repeat. And repeat again. But if repetition alone worked, nobody would forget after studying all night. That explanation survives for one reason only. It's easy to sell. Not because it's true, because here's the part nobody talks about. Fact 2. The dirty secret. Einstein didn't remember everything. Let that sink in. He didn't memorize facts. He understood relationships. Your brain does not store information like a hard drive. It stores meaning, patterns, and connections. Random facts decay fast. Connected ideas survive. When you cram isolated information, your brain treats it as disposable. This isn't a memory problem. It's a brain design mismatch. Blaming memory is like blaming your phone battery while running heavy apps on full brightness all day. But this gets worse. Fact 3. The consequence. Here's the spiral most people fall into. Study, forget, panic. Panic, overstudy, stress. Stress, burnout, avoidance. Avoidance, guilt, collapse. Over time, something dangerous happens. You stop trusting your brain. You hesitate before answering. You second-guess what you know. You freeze under pressure. This isn't lack of intelligence. It's memory, confidence, erosion. Some experts still call this a productivity issue. It's closer to self-sabotage. This is when people give up. This is when they label themselves as average. This is when potential quietly dies. If your brain could talk right now, it wouldn't ask for motivation. It would say, "Stop stuffing me. Start organizing me." But here's the detail everyone ignores. Fact 4. The hidden impact. Einstein thought in models, images, and cause-effect chains. Not paragraphs. That single habit changes everything. It explains why focus feels harder every year. Why revision never feels complete. Why smart people feel stuck despite effort. Modern education teaches collection. The brain requires connection. When ideas don't link, they disappear. This problem is shaping your days, your confidence, and your future. Even if you've never named it. Memory isn't effort. It's architecture. Your brain isn't broken. It's overloaded with unconnected information. Clarity doesn't come from doing more. It comes from removing noise and linking what remains. Einstein didn't remember more than you. He remembered differently. And once you learn that system, remembering stops feeling hard. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to build this kind of memory step by step.